They misdiagnosed the problem and tried to pressure me into buying a multi-$1,000 new furnace. They didn't check to see if anything was still under warranty. And they didn't make a simple repair that was easy for another company to spot. Plus, they added all kinds of stress by saying you had a carbon monoxide and condemning your unit. Plus, they came out twice with 2 different opinions and charged $200. Plus, they left me without heat all 4 days in the winter when it was a quick fix. Warning for others.